In September 2021, we took a fantastic vacation to Alaska. Michelle, the planner and brains of our operation, she made the plans and she could not have done a better job. One of the remarkable things that she planned was a 6-hour wildlife and nature cruise with Kenai Fjords Tours. We boarded the boat. I noticed it was very clean and it felt safe. There's plenty of seating inside and out and plenty of safety devices for everyone. Glaciers, sea lions, puffins, otters, whales, big chunks of ice. What a fantastic trip. Now the lunch was delicious. I'm not sure if it was because we were cold from the rain and wind or it was just that good. So I highly recommend, if you get to Alaska, you take a trip with Kenai Fjords Tours. They did a great job. They make you feel safe and great facility.